The purpose of the air filter is to promote long system life by keeping damaging contaminants away from sensitive engine components. Air filter elements fall into 6 broad categories. Automotive filters come in both panel and round or oval designs. Heavy-duty primary filters usually have metal ends and are available in both standard and long-life models. Heavy-duty secondary filters are used to seal out dirt while the primary filter is being serviced. Disposable housing filters are designed with both the filter and housing in one unit and are easy to replace. Radial seal filters are designed with molded ends to make servicing easier and more cost-effective. Corrugated, straight-through flow filters are designed to have high flow and high capacity in a more compact filter. Many engine systems have only a primary or single-stage filter. Others add a secondary element inside the primary filter. In many heavy-duty applications, a separator or pre-cleaner is included. The pre-cleaner works to separate heavier particles from the air and can be designed as an integral part of the primary filter, as shown here. It can also be built in or attached to the filter housing. Pre-cleaners can remove 80 to 90% of airborne contamination before it reaches the filter. The most common type of pre-cleaner uses stationary fins that swirl the air. This causes the heavier particles to separate out and collect in a trap where they are removed by a dust ejector valve or some other means. While pre-cleaners are very helpful in air filtration, they can't trap all of the dirt. That brings us to the heart of the air filtration system, the filter element itself. Every Baldwin air filter is designed to have an efficient balance of 3 important characteristics: maximum efficiency, minimum initial restriction, and cost-effective service life. The primary components of a typical heavy-duty filter are the sealing gasket, the end caps or molded ends, the inner and outer metal wrappers, and the media. The inner and outer metal wrappers protect the filter media and provide structural strength for the completed filter. At least 73% of the surface area of all Baldwin metal wrappers are open, allowing minimal airflow restriction. As mentioned earlier, the paper media is the most important part of the air filter. Aside from selecting the proper media for each application, Baldwin ensures maximum strength and minimum restriction through its PermaPleat design. PermaPleat is a special embossing process which creates built-in pleat spacing in the media. This adds extra stability and separation to prevent incoming air from causing pleats to bunch together. In situations where larger filters require deep pleats, or where there is high pulsation or direct side inlet flow, Baldwin applies a special hot melt beading to lock the pleats in place and prevent bunching or excessive pleat movement. The final step in Baldwin's air filter construction is the application of a special potting compound to the end caps. This compound bonds the media pack, which includes the inner and outer metal wrappers, to the end caps, forming a strong, rigid package. Baldwin's goal is to design air filters that meet or exceed OEM specifications. In Baldwin's state-of-the-art technical center, air filters are tested against the industry standard of air filtration to ensure quality and long-lasting performance. It is also here that new types of media are tested in an effort to improve heavy-duty filtration efficiency.